Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set up ManyChat. All right. From the past video, we've talked about creating a ManyChat account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set it up. Okay, let's say, for example, this one right here is a freshly created account. I've connected my Telegram account on my ManyChat account, but it says here you don't have a channel. Now, to add your channel in ManyChat, click Add Account. So let's just go ahead and do that. Click on it, wait for it to load. So in this section, let's say I'm going to go ahead and connect my Instagram account. Okay, I'm going to click on Instagram, connect via Meta right here, or you can go ahead and click on See More Options and just connect with Instagram. Okay, not with Meta and not with Meta Business Suite. So direct connect from Instagram right here. Make sure that you connect your business account and not a personal Instagram account. Okay, so as you can see here, it automatically detects that I'm already logged into this specific Instagram account. So I'm just going to click on Allow. If not, it will ask you to sign in, so don't worry. Just go ahead and sign in. So just wait for it to load. And then once it loads, it will ask you, first thing first, who's this account for? For myself, for my client, for my employer, it's up to you. Hit on Next. How do you typically make money from this account? A physical product service or affiliate marketing, some other stuffs, okay? Just for example, I'm going to choose a channel monetization from YouTube, TikTok, and other. Hit on Next. Now, which tools are you using right now? Say Flowdesk, Google Sheet, Klaviyo, HubSpot, or whatever right here. So I'm just going to hit on Next or skip it. Okay, how did you hear about us? You can go ahead and skip this one or just go ahead and select from one of these options, as it doesn't matter. Okay, so it says here, you could go ahead and start the free trial or just start with free plan. Yeah, the free trial will cost you $0 and you can cancel that anytime within 14 days. Okay, so I'm just going to start with free plan right here. And it says here, you connected your Instagram account. Now you can go ahead and select your first move right here, or you could go ahead and click on Look Around first. So you could be able to see the ManyChat dashboard. And this is how it looks like. All right, this is your account or your Instagram account that is connected. Your profile right here at the bottom left. Okay, before it was at the bottom right. All you can do at the bottom right is just log out. Now we can click on it and adjust your templates, API settings right here, or manage or add sign-in options, okay? Change your language as well. Now, if your contacts, automations right here, the ManyChat AI inbox, all the chats that was going on from your Instagram account, you'll be able to see that in here, okay? You have all channels or just Instagram alone. Open chats, closed chats, all chats, unread, it's up to you. Settings here as well. You have your subscriptions. You can connect as many channels as you can. For example, TikTok, WhatsApp, Messenger, just click on it. Okay, connect it from here. If you want to see a step-by-step guide on how to connect these channels, okay, you can go ahead and check our channel out. We have a separate video for each of these channels. That's basically it. That is how you set up ManyChat. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.